So, hello friends. Today I am explaining the conductivity experiment. So, very big question, what is the conductivity? Or very initial question, what is the conductivity? So, conductivity, it is a tendency of water to pass the electricity from itself. Okay, then the title of the project, title of the experiment is determination of conductivity for a given water sample. Okay, then M and apparatus, the apparatus required beaker, distilled water, water sample, and the water sample which we have to take the result or reading, then instrument, conductivity meter instrument, then theory. So it is the instrument in which we measure the conductivity, because the conductivity which is present in the water because of the salts are present in the water. The salts like calcium and magnesium salts, those salts are present in the water, and because of these salts the conductivity is present in the water. These salts are responsible transfer the current. Okay, so the next step is the procedure, how to carry out the performance or how to perform the experiment for conductivity. So for conductivity, first take the beaker, wash it by simple water, wash it by the distilled water, then take water sample into this beaker. Then first check the conductivity instrument, cell constant. We have to maintain the cell constant at 1. Okay, after making the cell constant at 1, we have to start, we have to dip this electrode. We have to dip the electrode into the water sample, and the display will be shows you the reading. So let's see how to this practical will be performed. This is a conductivity instrument in which 4 knobs are given. So very first knob, this is the knob used for to adjust the cell constant. Then this second knob, it is shows the value which is goes the value or reading beyond the range. Okay, so by using this knob we can adjust the range of the instrument. Okay, so the unit of the conductivity is micro ohms per centimeter. This instrument unit is the micro ohms per centimeter. Okay, then third knob is, it is a temperature. So we have to maintain this knob at a room temperature. The room temperature is 27 to 28 degree Celsius. And then last one, this is a knob which is by using this knob is used for the to maintain the cell constant and conductivity and for the checking of the instrument. Okay, so first we have to check the cell constant. What is the cell constant of this instrument? When we start this knob, so we are getting the reading here 1, it is our cell constant. Then we have to take the conductivity reading. So the instrument is connected by this glass electrode. Okay, so inside of this glass electrode there are two plates of the platinum plates are connected. Those work as a anode and cathode, and by this plate, when the water is present in between these two plates, so whatever these salts are present in the water, they start to pass the current, and one anode is supplying the current and cathode is receiving the current, and whatever current pass between this 1 centimeter distance, they will be display in this digital display. Okay, so just we are putting this electrode into the water, deep into the water, and then we have to wait for the reading. Then we are getting the 791 micro ohms per centimeter. This is a reading for the conductivity. So this is a very easy experiment. We have to just dip the glass electrode into the water, and after the dipping we are getting the conductivity of this particular water sample. So by using this instrument we can find out each and every type of the water conductivity. Okay. For the observation of conductivity, the observation table, like in first column tap water and second column the conductivity. Okay, so number of the column, there is 2 number of the column in and 3 rows. So first row tap water, and then we have to check the conductivity of particular tap water, and we have to write down the whatever the reading is or display in the display board, that reading we have to write down. Okay, then distilled water, and then given water sample. So we have to take 4 to 5 readings for different water sample, and we have to identify the conductivity for a given water sample. Okay, so the result of this experiment is that the conductivity of given water sample is calculated. The conductivity is, if more than is 1000, conductivity is more than the 1000, so it may be show that the water is hazardous water, it not is used for any portable purpose. Okay, so this experiment is over here. Thank you.